Hello friends, in this video I am going to share you how we can place a intraday order in Angel Broking app and how we can place a stop loss order on that intraday trade. So if you would like to open a free demat and trading account with Angel Broking, link will be available in the description. You can just click on it and you can open the link. So first I will just Jindal. So this is the company I am planning to take a trade today. I am just selecting on it. First I will show you where I am going to put this stop loss and buy. I am opening the chart. If you see the chart, we can see about 89 was yesterday's lowest price, and I am expecting it may go up to 92 today. Why it is? If you go to 5 days chart, you can see it came down from 92 to 18 yesterday. So means about 3 rupees it came down. So I am expecting that same growth today. So and I am expecting to keep a stop loss at 88.5. So if it going down 89, there will be a chance it will go further down. So first I will take a trade, then I will show you how to keep the stop loss. I clicking on the buy. Here I have to use the option intraday. Here you can see I am planning to take only some trade of something around 3000. So I will check how much maximum I can buy. So I am putting a quantity as 100. So it will come 2200. So I can go more quantity. Something 1 for 30 I will go. So almost like now it is near to 3000 rupees. So intraday I am making a buy. Currently it is 165. I am planning for 160. So or we will go for a market order to execute it first. Buy, confirm buy I am doing. So order got executed at 165. So current market price you can see. Sorry, order got executed at 190.70. Current price is 90.75. So I will show you how to place a stop loss order on this order. So I have to click on this one. Now you will get an option exit, means square off. Buy more if you want to increase the quantity, or if you want to keep the stop loss, you have to use this option stop loss. If you want to convert to delivery, you can use this convert option. So I am clicking on the stop loss. So I got a stop loss option. I am giving a trigger price. Trigger price is the price at which broker will send this order to the market. So 90.70 is the price. So I am keeping a trigger price as 88.6. Okay, 6 I will give. And the price order need to execute is 88.55. So what it means is, once the price reaches down to 88.6, our broker will send the order to the market that we want to place a sell order. Now stop. Earlier I have done a buy order. Want to sell a sell order at a price of, sorry, it is 8. One more zero is there. This I will remove. 88.55. So if I confirm this sell order, if the price comes down to 88.6, broker will send the order. I will keep me a sell order. I am confirming that. Stop loss also I confirmed. Now you can see our order price is 80 sell order. Now you can see in pending order, this stop loss order is active. So once if the price reaches to this 88.65 is the price I given, this order will execute at 88.55. Until now we can see in the position. In position you can see only. Now you can see in position with respect to current price, what will be the loss or profit. So if the price goes up, this profit also goes up, because my current buy price is 90.70. current market price is 90.70, so loss is 0. If the price comes down, this loss also will comes down. So we have to wait up to some time to get some idea price is going up or not. So I am posting some video. Then if it is goes, again I can show you even after once you place a stop loss order how we can change if the market goes up. Okay friends, I am posting this video. Even if we want to modify now this stop loss order, that also we can do. Go to pending order. Just click on this current order, whatever we are seeing there. Just click on it. Now we will get two options. One is modify order, one is cancel order. If you want to cancel this stop loss order, we can use this cancel order option. If you want to change the pricing, all this thing, we can use this modify order. I just click on it and show you. I am clicking on modify. Now again the same page opened where we can enter the quantity, where we can enter the trigger price, all this thing. If you want to simply modify, just change the pricing. If you want to 70 and if you want to make 65, you can do it. Then here also we will get an option to limit or the market. Means once the price reaches 88.70, if you want to execute on that particular price, you can put this market option and keeping market. Then what it means is if the price come down to 88.70, immediately order that will be executed. So I am keeping that as a market and I show you how in position it will show. I am keeping a sell, confirm sell I am doing. So in this stop loss order, you can see here the return market order. That means if the price reaches to our trigger price, that is 88.7, this order will be executed. Okay friends, we'll wait some more time to see how this market is moving. As today the market is moving too slow, so I don't think so waiting too much will make any sense. Anyway, I am just stopping this video. If I got a chance to show you if the target price hit or the price goes up, I may make a separate video. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. If you are a first time viewer of my channel, please subscribe my channel and support me. If you have any questions, please put on the comment line. So and again, the link for the free demat and trading account open is available in the description. You can just click on it and put your name, mobile number, city. Then easily within 10-15 minutes, you can easily open an account with Angel Broking. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. Bye, see you.